DIY.
I heard of this website actually today, and I wanted to try it for the first time with you guys.
It's called Opus Clips, and it literally will create those trending videos that we've all been seeing.
You can feed it a long form video, drop a YouTube link, and you'll get clips with one click. Who from Kyle Beats marketing department then got over here?
Literally 2 clicks. It's perfect.
Opus Clip allows you to import a video link of a long form video, and it'll turn it into 10 viral clips for free. This will allow you to create clips 10 times faster. Only people who would understand how important something like this is are people who have spent so much time editing. So what I did was I took a hour-long podcast that I had with my guy Illusion a few days ago, which I wish I had the time to cut up some clips, and now it's going to take clips from what I did and create some content. Uncovering the surprising trend of speeding up songs on TikTok.
It creates a conversation because people give their perspectives of why they think this song sounds way better if you speed it up, and it's pitched up, gives them a different perspective and a feeling, right? But man, with
they even switched angles. They even switched angles. Hey yo. Hey yo. It even gives me a title here in the very beginning to put in the actual Instagram. Illusion gets real about fatherhood. But first and foremost, man, I know that you on daddy duty. And so I just want to make sure dad to dad, I do the first check. Hold on. It provides me a script here. The shocking truth about how his wife has shaped his career. I remember this part of the interview.
I haven't even had time to say it, but shout out my beautiful, incredible, just superstar wife 6. But yeah.
Man, how important has her support been through this journey in terms of just kind of like staying leveled, staying creative, staying into your... I think this would work a lot better with a singular angle. So it would actually be to your benefit to use something like this with a more simplistic live stream. But at least it's producing ideas with, like, I have choices here that I can go through now. These are YouTube shorts that I could be putting up, and I can download them in HD. Let me figure out how I can edit this. So I can now edit this clip that it chose for me, and I can go through here and determine what words that I want to get highlighted in what color. It even adds emojis. So if I say something that triggers an emoji, it'll bring it up. I said the word excited, and it put up this celebration emoji. There's a part of me that loves this, and it's a part of me that's like, why couldn't you be around here earlier? I needed you. I didn't lost so much sleep creating content. Where were you? There's so many steps that's involved with creating content that is from other content on YouTube. First, I have to wait for the high res version of it to be processed on YouTube. Then I have to download it, which sometimes it can be like 3 to 5 gigs at a time. Then I have to go through the content, scrub through it, and figure it out. And I'm not saying, oh my God, my life is so hard. I'm saying it as if I wish there were things that could speed up the process or at least cut down some of these steps so that I can do more of what I truly enjoy doing. This is one of those steps that is definitely helping. So that is Opus Clip, ladies and gentlemen.
DIY.
DIYers, if you enjoyed this content, make sure that you hit the like button and maybe even consider subscribing. Come on, man. Don't get greedy. Peace.